Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Audacity and selecting your recording device, microphone, or interface. Make sure the project rate is 44/100 HC. This balances quality and file size. Once done, create a new track and arm it by choosing the correct input channel, then set the input gain so peaks sit around -6 dB to avoid clipping. You're doing this now because proper device choice and level set the foundation for clean audio that's easy to edit later. Now press record and keep an eye on the meters. Monitor with headphones to prevent bleed. If you need precise timing, enable the metronome or create a click track so performances sync correctly. Use punch-in recording to re-record specific sections without starting over, and consider recording multiple takes on separate tracks so you can comp the best parts later. Make sure to pause between takes to check waveforms and levels. This saves time during editing and prevents surprises. Once you finish, listen through and trim silence, apply fades to avoid clicks, and use noise reduction only after capturing a noise profile. This preserves clarity. Normalize or use gentle compression to balance levels, then export as WAV for highest quality or MP3 at 192 to 320 kbps for distribution. If you encounter clipping, stop, reduce input gain and re-record when possible. If you must fix clipped audio, use repair sparingly and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.